Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix paper jam in Canon Pixma MG3650S. Let's go. The only place where you can reach the jammed paper is the front door. So you need to open this door. You can see some jammed paper here. So now you need to move the cartridge holder to the right. Do it gently. Don't rush. Move it completely to the right. That's it. And now try to remove the paper with your hands, just like this. Also do it gently, try to not tear the paper, otherwise you're going to need to remove it with tweezers or some tools, and this is a risk to damage your printer. So I removed the paper under this bar, and this is the first step. And the second step is just grab the paper and pull it towards you, like this. That's it. So guys, to avoid paper jam, do not put wrinkled, torn or damped paper into the printer. It's very risky. And also do not overload the paper tray. Make sure you have some gap between the paper guide and the top page in your paper stack, and always align your stack with the paper guides like this. Now you can close the cover, and now take a look at the printer's control panel, and if you keep seeing indicators taking turns, I mean power indicator and alarm indicator like this, just make sure you've removed all the paper from the printer, and then restart your printer. Just power off and wait for a couple of seconds and power on back again. Then the printer is going to make some noise because it needs to place the cartridge holder on the initial position, so wait for it, and after this continue using your printer. And that's pretty it, guys. If that was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and have a nice day. Be awesome. Bye.